and I quickly needed that space. So became a bit of a no-brainer. On a Saturday morning I was driving past the Humpy studio and I was like, Mel, can we go back and have a conversation? It was pretty straightforward really. The guys came in, put the footings on the day before, and then that day guys came in and literally put the whole thing up in the morning. Like everything, you just need to know what's involved, and you guys are really clear on what the process was and how it was going to unfold. So yeah, it was easy.
I found the process of ordering the Humpy really easy. It was really easy to just inquire online. I came down to the showroom because it was close over in Bangalore to see some of the Humpies. It was really great chatting to Brad online. It took about half a day from start to finish to put the Humpy in. They measured it out. We had a chat about where I thought it would be most suitable, and they were in and out really quickly and cleaned up after themselves, and it was a really good experience all around. It's been really great having something outside of the house. Obviously there's a lot less distractions with the kids, and I'd be hesitant to say the missus as well. It's nice being in my own place where I can have everything that's mine that I need for work, and also if I've got meetings and calls and things like that, you're not having the noise from inside the house and the disturbances, people making deliveries or tradesmen in the house and whatnot. So it really makes a difference being outside of the house.